In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons into your Google Docs. This is a great way to make your documents more interactive and visually engaging, especially if you're sharing documents for professional or marketing purposes. To get started, we'll need to use an external resource, and for that, we'll turn to a website called flaticon.com. Once you're on flaticon.com, you'll notice there's a search bar right at the top. In this search bar, go ahead and type in social media icons or simply social media. This will bring up a wide variety of icons representing all kinds of social platforms. Take a moment to scroll through the options and find the ones that best fit your needs. Once you've identified the icon you'd like, all you have to do is hover your mouse over it. A little download button will appear. Click on that, choose the PNG format for optimal quality, and proceed to download the icon to your computer. With your icon safely downloaded, it's time to switch over to Google Docs. Open up the document where you'd like to place your social media icons. At the top of the page, click on Insert and then find Image in the drop-down menu. You'll see several options appear, and here you should select Upload from Computer. Navigate to the folder where you save the icon and upload it into your document. Now, initially, you might notice that the icon appears a bit large for your liking. Don't worry, we can easily adjust that. Click on the image once and you'll notice a menu appears, which includes the option to adjust image size. You can resize the image by dragging the corners inward to maintain the proportions. Once you've got it at a manageable size, you'll want to decide how it interacts with the surrounding text. For this step, click on the image again and navigate to the Image Options section. Here, you can choose either behind text or in front of text, depending on your preference for how the icon should be positioned in relation to your text. To ensure that the icon stays exactly where you want it on the page, you'll need to click on All Image Options and then select Position. Select Fix Position on Page, which will lock the icon in place. This technique allows you to freely move the icon around the page until you're satisfied with its placement, ensuring it complements the content of your document. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to add a touch of style and functionality to your Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.